unbox some axolotls. So A-Lot, axolotls. There's 15 to collect. Each one comes with some kinetic sand, 5 surprises. Let's have a look. Okay, 1, 2, 3. All right, let's have a look at this. So we can get a rare, which is Axolotl, Scare-a-Lotl, Nap-a-Lotl, Dance-a-Lotl, Read-a-Lotl, Fly-a-Lotl, Snack-a-Lotl, Undertake-a-Lotl, Sing-a-Lotl, Rough-a-Lotl, Cook-a-Lotl, Game-a-Lotl, Dive-a-Lotl, Paint-a-Lotl, and Care-a-Lotl. This would be one I'd really like because I'm a nurse, so I'd like to have a nurse axolotl. Alright. Now, hopefully the sticker is representative of what we're getting in the box, because that would be really cool. So, we have Axolotl. I believe this is kinetic sand. I can feel it, so I don't really want to open it, but let's have a look. It is blue. You can see the blue sand. I'm going to put that aside. Alright, what's in here? We have, yay! We have the little hat and the little thermometer. So we opened the one I wanted. Here we go. We have our Axolotl. So let's see, can we get the thermometer? Oh! Don't throw your hands away. So, thermometer. Okay, holding the thermometer. She's got, and she's going to be a she because she's me. She's purple, my favourite colour. She's got sort of a pinky coloured tail and a pink gradient on her gills. She has a little caring armband and a hat that probably won't stay on there. Let's get her up. Alright, will you sit? Can I? Nope. Stay together. Nope. She's falling apart. Alright. Let's get you. No. Can you sit better? Can I move your legs? Make you sit better. There we go. And there's your hat, thermometer, and your sticker. Alright, next one. Okay, so the sticker is giving me Read-a-Lotl. Okay. Okay, this is the kinetic sand. And we have glasses and a book. And our little axolotl is pink with a purple tail and has a blue to purple gradient on the gills. Let's get these feet sitting. She has a book and some glasses. Now, how do these go in? There we go. A little bookworm. That's another me. I read a lot of books. All right, last one. Who would I like to be? I paint a lot, so that would be cool. What else do I do? I nap a lot, dance a lot, snack a lot, sing a lot. Not very good, but I do sing. Or the Scarolotl would be cool. Scarolotl or Astrolotl, because they're both rares. And we got Sing-a-lotl. So, kinetic sand. We have some earrings. And a mic. And we have another pink axolotl with a pink tail and a gradient of gold to pink in the gills. Let's put the earrings on. Not sure how they go. I'm not sure how they're meant to sit, but maybe just at the bottom. They don't want to stay. Anyway, I can't get them to stay, so earrings and a mic. And there we go, our axolotls. Nurse axolotl, a reading axolotl, and a singing axolotl.